Hi everyone, this is a quick walkthrough of a improvement to how takeoffs handle missing page scales. Previously, there are actually two issues related to scale value during takeoffs. The first issue is that if the scale is not set yet, some of the values like volumes, areas, or length could be blank during takeoff. And it is actually intentional from our end because the scale could also be added later, and the volumes, area, and length could be also calculated from the dimensions. So if both scales and measurements are blank, the volumes will be blank like this. But if there are at least one of them set, they can have the values like this. Okay, so the user may not aware of that and see that and took it as a bug for our end. So we are going to show them the pop-up to ask them to set the scale before takeoff, to ensure at least they aware that if the page that they're selected have no scale and the scale is necessary to have more accurate measurement. So if they skip it, they could have some of the values blank. Here you can see the preview of the page, and it is skippable. So if the user don't want to add the scale, they can do that. And also if they only want to set one of the scale, they can just click save and run takeoff. It will save the first one and it will send the second one with no scale to takeoff. You can also input custom values here. And we also add the same pop-up in this schedule takeoff page. So the user will have the same experience. Like this. All of the whole pop-up is the same. You can see the preview. You can input a custom, and you can still skip and or just save some of them. Okay. That's for bulk takeoff. You can also do the same in the single page takeoff. There is the scale input here, something as the pop-up. It is also skippable, so you can still skip it if you don't need it. And there is also information about the measurements values that could be blank if the scale is missing. Okay, and the second issue is that when we do a takeoff for a page with no scale, sometimes it will use scales from another page that you already open here. For example, this page, you can see that the scale is not set yet and it has missing dimension, but somehow it already have volume and areas. This is not intentional and actually a bug from our side because the scale from each page could be different and it was wrong to to assume that it could use another a page from another page, a scale from another page. So we fix that in the back. It is more on the logic side, so the fix is not visible. But previously, if you have no scale and the and no dimension like this, you may get values and not aware that the values may not be accurate. And if you're aware that the values are wrong, you need to do the take off again with the correct scale or the correct dimension to get this number correct. After the fix, if you have no scale and no dimension, all of this will be blank, so you will be aware that you have to fill in some values here to get the number, to get the correct calculations. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.